Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix delayed notifications on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to go over and open up the settings. Now we're going to go over into battery. And here we want to see our background usage limits. As you guys can see, we want to make sure that our app is not in either sleeping apps or deep sleeping apps, because that way we will definitely get delayed notifications and also updates. Now you can also disable the put unused apps to sleep or add it to never auto sleeping apps. So for example, you want to receive calendar notifications, you want to receive the Gmail notifications, you can add them here and they will never auto sleep. After that, go over to the main page of the battery, and here what are we going to do is we're going to go with the power saving. So if you're using it, you can try and go over, change the standard one, make sure that you disable limit CPU speed and motion smoothness if you like, but the CPU speed here definitely plays the role if you're using it. So best way, of course, disable the power, and here in the background usage limits again you have adaptive battery. Make sure to disable it, and now the issue should be resolved. Of course, make sure to go to the apps, and once in the apps, find an app. For me, it will be, as I've mentioned, Google. And now in the Google, we want to make sure that notifications are not blocked, that we allow notifications, of course, without sound, but for example, on the lock screen. Now we get the notifications from Gmail and everything should work. Also, as a last resort, final thing, if you're on One UI 9, and you should be, maybe the new app network restriction is blocking it. So check it out. Make sure to go to connections, then go to Wi-Fi. And here, after you go to intelligent Wi-Fi, go to connectivity labs. If you don't have it, then tap on intelligent Wi-Fi until you see it pop up. And here you want to make sure that the AI network guard right here is not blocking anything. So click on manage restriction. Here, if you did not provide the PIN, then you should be good. But if you did, then make sure that you unrestrict the app. So turn it off. And as you guys can see, now we can also reset all apps settings, but now it should be good. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.